Hey friends, if you wish to reset Windows settings to default after a reboot, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and select check for updates in the right pane. The next solution will be an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The last solution is a system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and go to recovery. Click on open system restore. Click on next, select a good restore point, click on next and finally on finish and then click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.